Hey everyone, today I will show you an updated guide on how to buy on Eneba with Paysafecard in 2025. Let's get started with it. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. At first, open your browser and go to Eneba's official website. On this page, scroll down to the recommended section. Now from this section, choose your choice and click on Add to Cart. After that, click on View Cart. Now in your cart page, click on this Proceed to Checkout button to continue. You will see all the available payment methods are listed accordingly in this page. Now click on Credit or Debit Card option. Here you need to enter your Paysafecard information, like card number, card holder's name, expiry date, and CVC. After filling up all the information properly, click on this Continue button to complete the process. And that's it. You have successfully used your Paysafecard to purchase from Eneba in 2025.